Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Vivo V40 SE and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. To do it, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings, where we have password manager, and there we have password which our device remember, maybe to our Steam account. We can click there, but to manage it we need to have our look screen. We can add it fastly. And after we add it, we will manage our Google passwords. And now after we enter our look screen, we get connected to that, and we can copy our username, copy our passwords using this first icon, or after we choose eyes icon, our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone using this icon and send it. And next thing which we can do with it is edit it by tap on edit, and now we can change something in our username, password or note. But remember, when you change, tap on save. Last thing which we can do with it is delete our password from our device, member, storage, and by delete, and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.